Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2 on your Windows 11 computer because of this download error, that is 0x80246019. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, you can copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working, the next step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause update option, click on it, and once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then check. If you see the retry option, you can even hit retry and then check. Still not working, the next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK, make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Again, make a double click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click once again and then click on restart. And once this is done, now you can update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now if there is any update, you will see update option or install option. You can update it from here, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use this option, fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update advanced option, recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of your Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Again, open this link in a browser. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on yes to click on accept and then click on, by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish option and then it will take a few seconds or maybe a minute to close this. Let it close automatically and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then make a double click on setup file, run this file, click on yes to allow, click on next and then click on accept over here. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2 and you should not receive the error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.